So we're down here in Herne in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project for the client is brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Once all of the brickwork's been cleaned, we're going to be cutting out and replacing all of the cracked and damaged bricks. We actually repointed the side of the house last summer, so cutting out and replacing all of the cracked and damaged bricks. Customers getting quite a lot of damp over on the left hand corner. Going to be getting all of the carbon deposit smearing off of the face of the brick. See over time, a bit of paint's been all over the brickwork, some bad areas, a few pipes here and there that have been put in and not repaired properly. So over in this corner, customers suffering from a lot of damp down in this corner, so we'll expose that plinth as well, make sure there's no water penetrating up through the plinth there. Up on the top elevation, same sort of thing, be cutting out and replacing all of the cracked and damaged bricks. Once it's all been cleaned, it's going to come up really well. Then we'll repoint it all in natural lime mortar. And you can see there still a bit of the original tuck pointing that originally was pointed when it was first built. So we'll do some samples for the customer, see what style of repointing like to go for. Just same sort of thing again, cutting out and placing damaged bricks where needed. I think we'll be doing some decorating here as well, I believe, so painting all of the stonework. Another fracture going through the brickwork on this corner. So this area on the left hand side, this is where the customer's getting a lot of internal damp, so we'll rectify all that for him now. And then just on the top elevation, a little bit of brickwork around the top window, and we'll clean and repoint all of that as well. A couple of little loose bricks in areas here and there, but overall brickwork's not in too bad condition. And we'll show you some more progress by the end of the week once you've cleaned it and repointed it all. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Herne in southeast London. This is our penny roll project, all completed now. So what we've done on the project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. The house used to look like this property next door, so very tired and worn look. So we cleaned all the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, matching imperial bricks, repointed all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Just going to give you a little close up of how that all looks. Beautiful finish to the brickwork. As always, lads have done a really good job. Looks absolutely faultless as always. Compare that to something like a sand and cement weatherstruck style. This looks so much better. No decoration on this, as the customer just had all the decoration done last summer. So rectifying all of the damp problems now for this customer. Cleaned out all of the gutters and downpipes, put a plinth repair on the base of the property where he was getting damp. All upstairs, looking really good as well. Perfect finish as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.